Okay, Paradigm. It's been a while. Paradigm launched any speakers, but today they have launched a new speaker setup called the Founder Series. It is a very interesting lineup. It looks gorgeous. You get six models in this whole lineup, which is nice. So the company is approaching 40 years, so they are trying to um they they are trying to honor their founders, at least that paved the way for the brand success, and they're calling it the Founder Series, in honor for their CEO and their previous owners and pretty much their founders overall. So the Founder Series comprises of six models. First, three floor standing speakers, 80F, 100F, and 120H. The next thing that it's coming with is the 40B bookshelf that you can mount. You also get the 90C center channel as well as the 70 LCR speaker. So all these models, they all come in that walnut black wood veneer. There are other colors like midnight cherry, piano black high gloss. Price ranges from $1,100 all the way up to $4,250. So it's not cheap. What you get with the Founder Series is new build quality. They build it from they built it from ground up, and it's really nice. They use a new tweeter on the speakers called the almac. It's a really nice speaker that is made for audiophiles. At least, one thing you get is a very great build quality. It should sound great. It may not be the best sounding speaker ever made because of the price and all that, but I think for what you may get, you would really enjoy it. The only difference between the other speakers and the flagship 120H speaker is the the flagship comes with a better dome tweeter, a better driver, better woofers. Has three 8-inch CARBON-X driver that is integrated uh, into it, and it has an inbuilt uh, amplifier, a 1000 watts amplifier that has ARC Genesis, ARC Genesis for room correction. So that's what you get here. The 40B bookshelf speaker will be priced at $1,100. The 70 LCR will be priced at $1,700. The 90C will be priced at $2,600. The ADF will be priced the ADF will be priced at $1,900, while the 100F will be priced at $2,600. The flagship 120H will be priced at $4,250, and that is it. Do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.